conservatively, I can estimate there's about 350 to 500 bandsaw box builds on YouTube. So I started to count them, but I got bored around 14. So what can you get from this video? Well, not a whole lot, but I will point out that a bandsaw box build is a great way to get introduced to a new bandsaw, especially if you're new to woodworking. And it's a great way to learn about the capabilities and also the limitations of the bandsaw, which we'll get into that some other day. The other thing I wanted to point out is if you have some hardwoods, you don't know what to use them for anything else, or you just can't bring yourself to put them in the kindling bin, this is a perfect project for that. I use 2 different shades of cherry on the ends, and on this one I use American black walnut, and on this one is Peruvian walnut. And the expensive looking banding we have right here is just 1/4" Baltic birch plywood, which I convince you to look expensive, or maybe I didn't. And in the center right here I use some leopard wood, which is a nice contrast. I really just use it to get the width right, but really leopard wood is better when it's showing its face. I used it on a bridge playing card box about 2 years ago that I built. So anyway, I just wanted to point out that this is a great way to use up some hardwoods. It's also a great way to learn your bandsaw, which I did. I couldn't wait to get rid of that Powermatic I had. It was a toy compared to that Rikon. That Rikon is a little heavy to keep moving around, but it's a really good tabletop bandsaw. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.